wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dava Alvaredo. Today I will explain about poultry feed. Evaluation of CP and retention in broiler. Introduction and methodology. Feed cost and dietary protein. Feed costs account for 60% to 80% of total broiler production expense. Reducing protein level can lower feed cost, but may compromise growth performance unless accompanied by an improvement in nutrient digestibility efficiency. Acetic acid mechanism acidifier lower gastrointestinal pH down to pH 5 to create an ideal acidic environment. An acidic environment accelerates the activation of pepsinogen into pepsin in the proventriculus and inhibits gut pathogenic bacterial growth. Experimental design. Material 180 Lohmann strain broiler chicken, reared from 1 to 21 days of egg. Total collection at 22 to 24 days. Design completely randomized design with 3 replication. Factor 1 crude protein T1 sama 21%, T2 20%. Factor 2 acetic acid V 0% V1 0.75%, V2 1.5%. Feed ingredient nutrient content yellow corn percent, treatment T1 CP 21%, 55.50 treatment T2 59 to 00, soybean meal percent apa ini, poultry meat meal percent, treatment T2 80.0, rice bran percent and fish meal 10.0, crude protein 21.16. Metabolism energi kalori per kg 3027. Feed intake, daily feed consumption measurement, gram bird or day, to ensure adequate energy and nutrient intake. Crowd protein digestibility, percent of dietary protein absorbed by the body measured using total excreta collection method. Nitrogen retention, amount of nitrogen retained in the livestock body for tissue format, form, formation and protein synthesis. Feed intake result. Crude protein digestibility percent. Nitrogen retention result 1.49 gram. Average in nitrogen and retention, positive nitrogen retention. All treatment resulted in positive and retention values ranging from 1.43 grams to 1.57 gram or bird or day. This indicates that excreted and was lower than ingested dietary and signifying that the broiler's protein requirements for growth were well satisfied. Discussion of main result. Digestive enzyme activity, adding acetic acid up to 1.5% was not sufficient to lower digestive pH enough to trigger maximal pepsinogen activation. Dietary protein response, reducing CP level from 21% to 20% did not significantly lower protein digestibility or and retention. Isocaloric factor, equivalent metabolizable energy level 3 minus 3 minus 3.020 calorie to gram maintains consistent appetite and feed intake patterns in broiler chickens. Research conclusion: no significant interaction combining crowd protein level 20% to 21% and acetic acid level 0%, 0.75%, 1.5%, showed no significant interaction 0.5. Dietary protein efficiency, reducing dietary crowd protein to 20% yield that feed intake, protein digestibility and retention comparable to the 21% level. Role of acetic acid acidifier, supplementing up to 1.5% acetic acid did not significantly enhance nutrient digestibility in broiler. Practical recommendation: a I 20% protein level can be utilized to reduce feed cost without compromising protein digestibility and nitrogen retention. Thank you for your attention.